Divas, divinely inspired, vivacious artists. I have two things to show you today. These are the last two advent calendars that finally came in, and I'm going to be opening them one day at a time starting December 1st. I will be starting a playlist just for those, and I wanted to let you know that I was accepted into the diamond painting round robin that goes from Christmas Eve morning all the way to the end of Boxing Day, which is December 26th. Every hour there'll be a different diamond painting creator on YouTube that will be featuring a 1 hour like whip and chat type segment and be available in chat during that hour, so that for those who are lonely during the holiday or just need some cooling off time, some getaway time from family or whatever, there will be diamond painting creators there to chill with you for at least an hour or two, and it'll flow one hour right into the other from 12 a.m. December 24th till 12 a.m. the morning of midnight December 26th. So I'm hoping you will join me for that. I'll be on Christmas Day sometime. I'll let you know the time a little later, but I wanted to show you these last two diamond painting. One's a diamond painting advent calendar from Diamond Painting Creations, and the other one is a crafty one from Arteza. Arteza, something like that. They're both 24-day, and I'm looking forward to showing you this. This one you slip right out. There are two different advent calendars from Arteza, and one is a fine art, and this one is the crafty art one. And Arteza craft calendar. Look at the pretty purple bow. And I want to show you how fun these look. I love the soldiers. Remember last year I did a soldier keychain, which turned into an ornament every day last year with the Advent one. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. 24 days in all. Let me try to find number one. 24 is all the way up here. All the way at the top. Where is number 1? 21. There's my birthday. This one's 11, 12, and 13 all in one. That's, oh, here it is. Should I open the first one now? Do you want to see what's in the first one? I think they still have some of the kits left, so you may be interested in purchasing one for yourself if you like what's in here. So I will open this one. I'm trying to do it as delicately as possible, which I just got my nails done, so I don't want to, like, wreck that. It's not getting underneath the paper here. You don't have to be as delicate with it as I am, but and you can rip the door the entire way off. Okay, this says Day 1 Polymer Clay, Titanium White, and it has it in 2 other languages. Cool. Polymer Clay, Titanium White. Well, that's fun. It's got this to help lift it. That is fun. Nice thick brick too. Really nice thick brick. It looks like we're going to have to be making some clay creations in the new year. There we go. Okay. I'm looking forward to the Arteza craft calendar. Tie this back up so I can show you the next one. I can't wait. I can't wait till Advent. If you're familiar with Advent calendars, they're very secular and stuff now as well. But I just wanted to let you know that on my other channel, Drawing Nearer, we are going to be hosting what I call Advent Angels. My friend and I had written a little devotional booklet called Advent Angels, and it's combining prayer practices and creative prompts that you can do fun things as you prepare for Christ's birth. It will be once a week. starting the first Saturday in December, and there is a discount on the class if you get in on it by November 25th. So, look at drawing nearer. And, okay, follow us on social media as we reveal our daily Advent calendar gifts. Oh, well, okay. That's at Diamond Painting Creations. Can you see that? Let me show you. Let me show you that close up here. At Diamond Painting Creations. Looks like they have Facebook, Insta, TikTok, and that is their own little symbol. Okay? Now let's look at this. This is different. I did not get the same calendars that I got last year. And this says Merry Christmas on it. It's a little bit bent up. They said they were going to send them out in September, and I didn't get it in September. And when I went up on their site, it said that they were sold out. But fortunately, I had my receipt. It was emailed to me. So I just sent them my receipt and said I didn't get mine. And here it is. This is the first look. I like the gold and red. Oh, it's like the boxes in the other one, two of the ones that I opened last year, which I'm going to be using one of last year's to create one for my grandkids. And I'll show you that in another video. I'm going to be creating my own Advent calendars one has little gift bags for the kids that I help at the Boys and Girls Club, and then one for my granddaughter, and one for my mom as well. So anyway, here we go. I like this. It has all kinds of little green and red and gold little like ripple cut things. And here we go. I'm going to show you. This is number 1 on the Diamond Painting Creations. It is a cover minder. Oh, isn't that cute? It's a little dinosaur with the Santa hat. That's fun. Cover minders, as you know, have an extra magnet on the back. I like the flat magnets. You put the magnet underneath your diamond painting, you pull the plastic cover back, and you snap this down over top of it, and it holds the plastic back while you are doing your diamond painting. So that's fun already. And I like these little plastic boxes too. I know. I'm going to tuck it back in here, even though I know what it is. And again, I'll have its own playlist. I'll be opening, let's see, this one and the Arteza. And I have one from Add More Zest. I have one from Diamond Painting Deutschland. And I have one from Daphne's Diary, which is the paper crafting one. And it comes in this beautiful, beautiful paper folded cabinet. Oh my goodness. That is reusable. So, I'm looking forward to the holidays. Are you? I'm getting excited. We're almost here. I will have a sneak peek, a Diamond Art Club sneak peek that will be available for sale on Black Friday on their special sale. So tune into my channel coming up before Thanksgiving, because it will be on whenever they tell me I'm allowed to put it up before Thanksgiving, before Black Friday. So you will know what all is on offer on Black Friday. They have some great sales going. So, I thank you for joining me for this one, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye, Divas.